My name is Michelle Milano. I am a huge reality TV fan, but specifically all things Bravo. Vanderpump Rules, Real Housewives, Shaw's of Sunset, you name it, I love it. So I am here to show everyone just how much I know and that I'm the expert. Well, anyone who is familiar with Real Housewives knows that these interview confessional looks are very important because it's such a hot mess, but at the same time, you have these women who build these friendships and share their marriages and all of the disasters that could possibly happen when the cameras are rolling for all of us to see, and I just eat it up. Like I said, I love all the Real Housewives, but my number one has always been Real Housewives of New York, followed by Vanderpump Rules, which is a spinoff from Beverly Hills, and then Shaw's of Sunset. And they're all three different, and they bring different things, so always hooked for those. There's so many good ones. The Teresa table flip will always be a classic for me, but if you ever got to see Ramona Singer from Real Housewives of New York screaming at everyone and telling them to calm down and take a Xanax, it really doesn't get better than that. Absolutely, Stassi Schroeder, who is from Vanderpump Rules, started out as a waitress and now is like my fashion guru. She has the best taste. Hashtag OOTD, her outfits of the day always inspire me. I'm a huge Andy Cohen fan. I have him to thank for everything I love, believe in, my only hobby. Without him, there would be no Real Housewives, there would be no Bravo. So thank you, Andy. Definitely Real Housewives of New Jersey. It's a real roller coaster, so from start to finish, I've seen every season at least 6 times probably. I've been waiting for this my whole life. It was Orange County, behind the gates of the Kodo community. Brandi Glanville, not only was she not an original OC, she was on a different franchise, The Real Housewives of Beverly Hills. Oh, Luann, because she was a former countess, then she got divorced on national television. I mean, it's just too good. That would be Kelly Ben-Simone. That's also one I need to add to a favorite TV moment. So good. Oh, it was Kim's. I think it was on there tight too. Adriana. Real Housewives has it all. Action, violence. Oh, boobs! Sorry. But yes, he did buy her a new set of tatas. That would be Miss Sheena Shea, who allegedly had an affair with Brandi Glanville's husband. His chunky knit sweater, because it's such a staple. That's what I should have worn today. I mean, you didn't bring me here to lose, right? I know you've all been waiting for this moment to find out what the internet says my Bravo show would be. So here's nothing. So which mansion do you call home? Oh, which one is the largest, most luxurious? Actually, I think I want more of like a country staple. We're gonna go with the one with the pool in the front yard, because that's normal. Someone's talking behind your back. How do you deal with it? I'm gonna go confront them. Like, let's hit this head on. Uh-oh, a fight you're in is getting heated. Pick a drink to throw at someone. Can we film me doing that? Yeah, a glass of wine, it always has to be. Time for a trip with the entire cast. Friends, where are you gonna go? Let's see, the more tropical, the more drama. Everyone knows that. So, Rio. Oh, Barcelona. Yeah, we're gonna go to Rio. What's your quirk that other people just don't get? Collecting knives, inventing a new accent for myself, calling my husband daddy. Probably, I'd love to, yeah, inventing a new accent for myself seems like something I would do. Time to shoot a scene, choose your location. Rock climbing, absolutely not. Psychic reading and gossip, I don't even need to read the other ones. Finally, just pick a Jack's face. Yep, we're definitely going with, I don't know how this will show up, but the one that I'm selecting is classic. Oh, ha! $1 Million Listing, the real estate one. It's not wrong. Well, apparently even Bravo thinks that I am a wonderful real estate agent. So if you're looking for someone who can handle all of the drama, all of the emotions, all of the sometimes violence that goes into looking for or buying, selling a new home, I'm happy to help. Call me Andy Cohen. 804 New Home. We're not gonna do a full Bravo episode, like, how dare you ruin my scene? I'm sure if we're not gonna send this directly to Andy Cohen. That would be perfect for the show though. Like, just throw a glass of wine in his face real quick. My life is way too boring to actually be on the show, but I can come up with some stuff. Make sure you edit that out. Just, I need to talk to someone. Like, give me a producer. Not on my toes, I can't think of anything. Say all of that all over again.